the 11th of July 2022 we have Sokerilinnantie. Sockerslotsvägen 5 staircase. We're here in Leppävaara, Aalberg, Espoo, in the Helsinki-Espoo region, also in Finland. Another Otis 2000 scenic elevator without the doors. This was built in early 1996 because it was 1995 on the door bunker here, or door to the bunker. Turned 25 years old in last year, 2021, and is nearly born in 1873. The rest is 4 grams of 305 grams and will be expected in 2024. The only small disappointment is that they were not Series 1 anymore, but still, scenic elevators.
Yeah.
Still very nice and still deserve 2 rides, of course.
Yeah.
The floor 1, but it could have been green here.
Spektiippaa kiva, mutta mentiin paikkoon.
You will see the counterweight from here. And you have a view towards the all 2 new office buildings.
Yeah.
But it's good to have some of them with views to the outside and some to the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
That's
That's it.